feedback so far from the social media companies? Because you've had a bit of a run-in with them. Some of these questions are being challenged before courts as well. Have social media companies told you, as these guidelines were being formulated during the consultation process, that they will comply?
We had a very elaborate consultation, Rahul. Okay, I explained that even in case of OTT. I can only, let me appeal to them through you today, your channel. India is a vibrant democracy. You are doing good business here. You are earning good money here. Go ahead. Allow your users to criticize us also, but have a mechanism for redressal of grievances there. And what is the problem? Today technology is so easily available. And let me tell you, Rahul, because I think on OTT you are going to ask me some question. I hope so.
Yes.
All right. Then I'll reply to that then.
No, but go ahead and say what you were saying.
The same is on OTT. आप मुझे एक चीज बताइए. When you sit in your channel as an eminent editor of the country, do you follow the norms or not?
Of course.
When India Today publishes the magazine, does it follow the Press Council of India guideline or not?
Most certainly.
When you write the article in the newspaper, you follow guidelines or not? तो आप तो इतने guidelines follow करेंगे और आप कुछ नहीं करेंगे. The simple thing is follow the Press Council of India guideline, number one. On OTT, no government interference. What we are saying, you have a self-regulatory mechanism of classifying them in 5 categories for children, for 13 years and more below. And you also have yourself a proper grievance redressal mechanism of your own, or like the media follow, retired judge, Supreme Court or eminent broadcaster, something like that. And the third level is the government. Therefore, we are only saying self-regulation, but you create the mechanism.
No, but the concern that people who are watching would have is that, is there a possibility that content which somehow shows the government in bad light is acted on with the full force of the law, whereas content which, you know, shows the government's opponents in bad light, theek hai, isko chalne do. How do you deal with this concern?
I must tell you very honestly, our commitment to freedom of media and freedom of individuals is complete. थोड़ा मैं आपसे राइटर में बात करूं, नरेंद्र मोदी की आलोचना करने वालों की संख्या कम है क्या? आज से नहीं, कितने साल हो गए? अब तो 20 साल हो गए ना. अब जनता उनको जिताती है क्योंकि जनता उनके काम से अच्छा होती है, प्रभावित होती है. अभी भी काम कर रहे हैं, तो आप आलोचना करिए ना, कहाँ मना कर रहे हैं? I am saying here, do criticize if you so, but if you keep on showering poison, promoting hatred for communal conflagration, or create a process where seeking to almost forcing people to take the law into their hands, etc., etc. These are matters. For instance, I am asking you a question today. It just flagged to me. A person is having inam on his head for serial offenders.
Sure.
They are putting videos, again provoking people. Is it not a case where social media should think about it?
Oh, absolutely. He's put out another video, Lakha Sadhana, in Facebook, I think last
I'm not taking names.
Sure.
Since you, in your channel, you are having a sober debate, these questions social media need to address. And these are global issues which keep on rising and rising. And therefore, our whole focus is upon responsible, accountable, transparent machine which you create yourself and follow.
Will the rules apply as much to BJP supporters who may be doing this, like for example, tarnishing other people's image? If there is somebody who says, okay, I believe in the government's cause, etc., but you know they're doing something, will it apply equally?
Again, the application will be done by the social media company. No? I am not against campaigning your views on social media, including for political purposes. That's a fundamental right. But if you cross the line, that should be applicable to anyone. And therefore, we have a provision that if you disable any account, you please give him a hearing and give him the reason. That's all.